If you are a CEO or tech founder building an AI app or agentic AI product and are looking to sharpen your AI value proposition as well as the go-to-market for your AI product, then I invite you to join a hands-on workshop of 3 hours called Go-to-Market for AI. This workshop is led by me and will be held the day before the main event of TIECon 2025 on April 30th. In this workshop, I walk through various frameworks for you to identify various value propositions for your core AI capabilities in the product, how to position them effectively for various go-to-market strategies, and how to walk away with an actionable plan on testing this value proposition as well as GTM tactics. Hopefully, you will be able to make time and join me for this 3-hour hands-on experience. I look forward to seeing you there.